up everyone, I'm Unpheric here. So today we're gonna talk about something common problems in music producers. Vocals, of course. You probably don't have a friend. I mean a vocalist friend. Nah man, I'm a broke person. My money is already gone with the VST and I can't sing too. That's the biggest problem. You sing, bro. What the f? So today we're gonna talk about a way to get a vocals so we can actually release them on Spotify or other platforms like Apple Music and Apple Music. I don't know. Of course, there's really no other option than using AI, you know. That's why I'm gonna show you how to get a clean vocals and with tricks. But I call it tricks. Let's jump into the AI tools. This is the main interface of the AI platform I'm using. It's called a musiccreator.musiccreator.ai. Honestly, you can use it on any other platform like Suno, but I'm using musiccreator AI for this because it has the features that other AI can't do that. One of them is photo to music. This feature is really unique in my opinion. The AI reads the mood of an image and turns it into the lyrics in a song. I have tried this feature before and it's really cool. As you can see, it's great for YouTubers to generate non-copyright music, also for podcasters, for filmmakers. It's great for film scoring too, like sound effects, epic trailer music maybe, and more. It's also useful for advertiser and you can read the use case yourself. Of course, it's great for music composers and brands too. Alright, after you create an account like usual, this is what the main screen looks like. On the left side, you can see the tools that help you in the music making process. Like here, you can either input your own lyrics or just write and prompt directly. Now here, you'll notice there's only a switch for instruments and there's no switch for vocals. I don't know why, but until now there's still no AI music generator that offers vocal only generation. But don't worry, I'll show you how to get a clean vocals. Not 100% clean, but in my opinion, it's still good enough for standard studio vocals. So to start, if you don't have your lyrics, you can generate them first. Usually I write my own lyrics, but honestly, I'm feeling lazy right now. Let's just generate them and see how the result turns out. First of all, enter the title and the topic you want. For example, I want to make a breakup song. I call it Time to Let It Go. Let it go. For the mode, I want something melancholic. For the topic, I'm for lazy to thinking right now, so I'll just generate the topic from ChatGPT and paste it here. And now let's generate and wait a bit. And now my total credit number looks kind of weird right now. 0.5. Why they just don't give it 1 credit or maybe 3 credits? Then click use the lyrics to generate AI music and it will automatically move to this section. Before generating, to get a better result that fit the genre you want, you can ask ChatGPT to rework the lyric based on a specific genre you want. And in this lyric, I want the lyrics to match an emotional feature-based style like Illenium. So copy that, paste the new ones. I'm a bit OCD here, let's clean up it first. For the style, because we want a vocals or acapella, I write acapella. Even though it's basically impossible for AI to generate vocals only, at least this makes the vocals cleaner, which is ambient music underneath. To get the result close to what you want, you have to be very specific here. Don't just write something like piano only, you need to describe it properly. We have to trick the prompt so the instrumental part is very minimal. The goal is when we use a stem splitter or a vocal remover, the vocals will be easier to separate and sound cleaner. I'll choose male here and then just generate and wait a bit. What the hell man, why is this tag too long bro? Probably my internet, my Wi-Fi. Actually you can listen while it's generating, but I'll just wait until it's finished. When it's done, let's listen to the result. Forgot about my headphone.
Etching shadows low, autumn rust across the floor.
Okay.
Time to let it go, like the leaves above my head. All the stories, all the places I once called my home instead.
You can even hear a breathing sound.
The cold wind blow, every step is teaching me.
I never tried an other AI platforms before, but you can hear that this already sounds almost studio level. Why is there a violin there? I didn't even mention violin in style before. Whatever, but whatever. It actually makes it more emotional. Honestly, I'm starting to get scared of AI right now. For those of you who have a vocalist friends, I highly recommend doing that. You get a real connection, share ownership of the song, and you can promote it together. And promotion is the hardest part, in my opinion. Alright, I'll just generate another song. I skip the process. And this time I'll use a female vocalist, so you can imagine how it sounds.
Every word you said built a future in my
Oh man,
head.
I'm seriously impressed by AI right now.
These echoes in my chest, all the things we never said. We were fine, we were alive. Now just sparks in broken time. I let go, but I still feel every wound that couldn't heal. All the love we couldn't save. Fading echoes feel the
She even adds a beautiful vocal ad-libs. This is honestly sounds like a real human singer. The emotion, the breathing, the small details, everything is top tier. But still, we will use the first result we generated earlier. There's also a really cool feature here called AI Sync Generator. This AI can turn generated vocals into your own voice, but by just recording a few short voice samples. As you can see, there are also voice examples like Billie Eilish here, a voice of Billie Eilish singing other song, and Justin Bieber. And even a Plankton, maybe the SpongeBob and Patrick singing videos on TikTok will probably generate here. You can use your own voice too. I won't try it here because I hate my own voice. But if you're planning to sing with your own voice, you should definitely use this feature. Before we parodying the vocals, I want to try a AI rap generator feature for hip-hop producers, maybe looking for the good rap vocals. This is really interesting. Like conscious hip-hop, trap, boom bap, what the hell is this? Drill, emo rap? What you mean emo? And if you scroll down here, there's even Digicore. I choose a conscious hip-hop here, and then we enter the topic like usual. I speed this part a bit. Rap style is conscious hip-hop, confident, title, whatever, I don't really care of the title. There's also pro setting here. I'm not sure what it does, but maybe it's only available in the professional version. Oh yeah, I haven't explained the pricing yet. So musiccreator AI has 3 tiers, like pretty standard for AI platforms. In the starter plan, you get the 200 credits, which equals 100 music generation. One music generation costs 2 credits and gives you 2 songs. So that's a 200 songs total. And all versions get access to the same AI tools. But honestly, the quality is really good. And still, because this is AI, the good result depend heavily on good and detailed prompt. If you are on the free version, your prompt needs to be detailed as possible. Between this level, the main difference is just the number of credits. So if you're serious about getting good AI vocals, I recommend starting with the starter plan. You can check the link in the description. As you can see, I'm a part of their affiliate program. I really appreciate if you're sign up through in my link. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. You can also join the affiliate program yourself too. Anyway, what are we talking about? Oh yeah, we're testing the AI generator. I leave the pro setting on default, but for the influence by, I'll write Kendrick Lamar and then generate. Let's listen.
Building up a chorus, setting off alarms. You got ideas, but the vocals won't arrive. Let the bites harmonize, make the drive come alive. Turning sketches into songs, let them rival the pros. It's the magic in the math where the honest flow grows. Whatever you need, it's right in your hand. Codes and beats, AI in the band. Dream it up, put your soul in a scan. Now you're a singer the world understands. Whatever you felt, now you gotta wait. Don't let doubt tell you what you can't say. Open the door, music in a new day. Leave those limits, let the melody play. Yeah.
That's really cool. The hell? Now let's try female vocals with the Digicore genre.
whatever you need is right in your hand. Chords and beats, AI in the band. Dream it up, put your soul in the scan. Now you're a singer the world understands. Whatever you felt, now you gotta wait. Don't let doubt tell you what you can't say. Open the door, music in a new day. Leave those limits, let the melody play. They used to say you had to hit the notes clean, but the future redefines what talent really means. From the bedroom studio, shining unseen. scene, had a vision in your mind, now it's on the screen. Clicked upload, watched it all transform. AI in the corner, that's your quiet storm. Mixing your voice with the perfect form. Building up a chorus, setting off alarms.
Yeah, this is for those of you looking for rap vocals. Rap vocals. But for this video, I wanna make an emotional song, so I'll stick with the first result generated earlier. Now we need to separate the vocals from the music. You can use the AI vocal remover tool here as well. As you can see, I already did this earlier, so
Time to let it go like the leaves above my head.
without further ado, you'll get a zip file. We only take the vocal and drag it into your DAW. I'm using FL Studio, of course. Yeah, let's check the tempo first. It's 146 BPM. The first instrument I use is piano for build attention, of course. Then serum for the wrist bass. Add impacts too. Impact. I want to add a violin using cinematics to the solo strings here. Channel volume to make it more expressive. Really nice. And here's another scene from zero. Alright, it's done. As you can see, it's already mixed and mastering too. My laptop is struggling hard here, probably because I'm recording layers too at the same time, but in the potato laptop. Anyway, I need to render it first. Let's add a minimeter. Where's the minimeter? Minimeters. And now let's listen to the result.
Time to let it go like the leaves above my head. All the stories, all the places I once called my home instead. Sunset burning on my skin, I feel the cold wind blow. Every step is teaching me. Yeah, it's time to let it go.
That's beautiful, man. What the I'm really genius, man. So what do you think, bro? Sure, I finished the full version and released in Spotify. Let me know in the comment below. So yeah, that's how you can get a vocals if you're a music producer who can sing. This method is mainly for music producer who have no connection. If you're interested in using the AI, you can use it, link in the description. And thanks for watching. If you like music and discussion about music, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.